Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to view iCloud photos online in 2025. If you're an Apple user, you know iCloud is a game changer for storing and accessing your photos from anywhere. Whether you're on a Windows PC, an Android device, or just need to check your pics on the go, this guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have an Apple ID linked to your iCloud account. If you don't, head over to Apple's website to create one. It's quick and free. Now, open your web browser and go to iCloud.com. That's the gateway to all your Apple services online. Once you're on the iCloud homepage, you'll see a sign-in box. Enter your Apple ID email and password. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must in 2025 for protecting your personal photos. After logging in, you'll land on the iCloud dashboard. Look for the Photos icon. It's usually a colorful grid or camera symbol. Click on it, and bam! You'll see all your iCloud photos organized by albums, years, or even moments. You can scroll through, zoom in, or search for specific images using the search bar at the top. Pro tip: if your photos aren't showing up, double-check that iCloud Photo Library is enabled on your devices. You might need to go into your iPhone or Mac settings to sync everything. One cool feature in 2025 is the enhanced search with AI tags, so you can find that beach vacation photo just by typing sunset. If you want to download or share photos, just select them and hit the download button or share via email. Remember, iCloud offers up to 5 GB free, but if you're a photo hoarder like me, consider upgrading your storage plan for more space. And there you have it. Viewing your iCloud photos online is straightforward and super convenient. Give it a try next time you're away from your main device. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.